Hi, I'm Howie Scarborough with Fall Protection Distributors, and today I want to tell you a little bit about our SSRA2 roof jack adapter. So if you already own the standing seam roof anchor and you need to add walk boards onto a standing seam roof, basically all you need to do is buy a set of adapter plates. It's called the SSRA2. You can go right to the website, click right here. Very simple adapter plate, fits right on top of the anchors. It has adjustable height feet that stabilizes the adapter once it's setting on top of the seam. So show you a small mock-up on a trade show panel we have, just kind of give you an idea of how this works. These feet that are height adjustable, they do have a foam gasket on the bottom that keeps from scratching the panels up, and they are adjustable for different pitch roofs. So it's $5.58 a pair. You want to mount these approximately 8 feet apart, and you can use a 10-foot long 2x10. Then you run your 2 wood screws in through the end here. So basically these red jacks are included, but these are your typical jacks that you would use on a shingle roof. We've just made an adapter that lets them fit on here. These are stainless steel wing nuts that lock them onto the adapter plate. So I'll give you a quick rundown of what it looks like when we what the install would look like on this. So here we are. This is a sample panel. You've got your standing seam panel here. You have your SSRA1 already torqued down to the seam. Got all your set screws already torqued. Next thing you're going to do is remove this D-ring, move the 2 top bolts. So this is what it looks like. You've got 2 threaded holes on top, 9/16. Pop this D-ring, this plate and D-ring off. These 2 top bolts and washers are going to be used in the next step. So this is your SSRA2 roof jack adapter. These are your the 2 bolts that we're holding this on are now holding this adapter plate on. You set the height of your feet so that this is stable on the seam. And then you pull your 3 wing nuts off. And then this is what it's going to look like from either end. So you can see the anchor down here. You're bolted onto that anchor. And then you've got your adjustable height here. And then you put your roof jack adapter on and set your angle. And it's as simple as that. It takes just a minute or 2 to install it. If you already own the anchors, you really just have to add the adapter plate, and it just adds to the functionality of the SSRA1 standing seam roof anchor system. So if you have any questions, give us a shout. We appreciate you watching.